Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make shrimp in lobster sauce. So here I have Argentina shrimp. So it's totally different shrimp, just a little bit red, but the meat is so tender. I'm going to show you how is the shrimp. This is Argentina shrimp. This is normal shrimp. So the Argentina shrimp is really good, to my opinion. So here I have half pound of Argentina shrimp. And then I have the ingredients right here. I have salt and pepper and sesame oil, saucing wine, garlic, ginger, and I have green peas, carrot, and chili. And let's get started. So I'm going to add olive oil, 2 tablespoons, and heat it up the wok until hot. So I'm using also the chicken stock. So I'm going to saute the shrimp for a minute. You see how big the shrimp is. This shrimp is really good. I already cleaned with the salt and baking soda. So the shrimp is the meat is more tender. So this one about half cooked. So I'm going to take it up because later I'm going to cook some more. So here by adding garlic, ginger, so and here I have a chicken stock about half cup or 1 cup, something depends how much you want to use it. So I'm adding carrot and the green peas, and chili. Maybe I'm going to adding more chicken stock. So let them boil a little bit. Hereby add like little by little cornstarch, slurry cornstarch, so make it the sauce is a little bit thicker. A little bit more, probably that's enough. So I'm going to add salt, white pepper, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon saucing wine, sesame oil, and then adding shrimp. So here I have the egg white. So I'm going to add just a little bit. Make sure don't touch after this one. Don't touch it, just leave it. Let them boil a little bit. See, the egg white is pretty. Shrimp, actually you cannot cook longer. After that will be, the taste is like a rubble. So it's already done. For the garnish, here is Argentina shrimp and lobster sauce. If you like my video, leave me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. See you for the next video. Goodbye.